Even though she raised $1 billion, she ended the campaign $20 million in debt.
The national campaign, nothing, zero. They had no respect, they had no coordination. They didn't talk. I never even had a conversation with the lady. First time ever. They didn't even do the right thing as far as giving us the resources that we need, and they want to blame us. And now I understand somebody ever came was blaming Joe Biden. Can you imagine blaming Joe Biden for her loss? She lost, he didn't lose.
After an unprecedentedly expensive presidential race, Democrats are locked in a bitter blame game over the $3.5 billion spent trying to defeat Donald Trump. Kamala Harris and Joe Biden's teams are pointing fingers, each accusing the other of wasting resources, after Harris suffered a significant loss to Trump, who spent far less. Biden's aides claim Harris's campaign mismanaged funds and ran a poor, three-month campaign that disappointed donors. Harris's team, however, argues that Biden's underwhelming debate with Trump in June and his late exit from the race hurt her chances. Despite spending over $1 billion, the Harris campaign ended deeply in debt, sparking outrage and